Good morning, everybody. I hope you are doing really good. Yeah, so today I would like to take you to my mini garden and show you how the Dodo, or else you call it Amaranth, or you call it Mchicha. So guys, it's flowering. I want to show you how it look like. Yeah, so guys, in case you are new to the channel, please do subscribe down below. I really do appreciate you clicking into my channel and watching it. Yeah, so thank you very much. I'll take you through. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, so as you can see from the background, it's really green. Yeah, it's so lovely. Yeah, so I'm really happy to see all these things grow here. Yeah, and it's maturing. So as you see, that's how it look at that, look at the flower. Yeah, and it's growing tall as well. Look all the way. Yeah, that is the flower. Yeah, it's looking amazing. Guys, do you grow this kind of veggies in your place? Yeah, so we do grow this a lot. Yeah, so it's really good, cook easily, and it tastes really nice as well. Yeah, in case you're new, you can watch into my other video and you'll see how I cook it as well. It's amazing. Yeah, so nice. Look at that. Yeah, so it's called Dodo, or you can call it Amaranth, or else you call it Mchicha. Was it Mchicha, guys? Yeah, so look at that. Yeah, it's all flowering now. Yeah, yeah, and it's massive. So yeah, a lot. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, this is the flower, and it's all green. Usually this Dodo grow in the summertime. Yeah, so we do grow in the summertime. Yeah, it's amazing. So summer maybe from November to March. That is when it's really doing good because there's a sun as well, Yeah, so you don't need to water much. You just water twice in a week. Yeah, look how beautiful it is. Yeah, it's amazing. So guys, this is sukuma wiki. Yeah, that's the sukuma. You see, it's having some seed as well. Yeah, very good. As you can see, it's really cheap. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, and it grows really tall. Yeah, look how massive is this one, guys. Look, that is from the ground all the way. Look at that. How tall is that? Yeah, it's very tall. Yeah. And guys, we do have another veggies as well. So this one, I don't know the name in English, but we call it luge in my mother tongue. So this one, you see how tall it's growing? Yeah, so that is luge. Yeah, guys, if you know the name of these plants, can you please comment down below and let me know how do you call it. Yeah, so do you have it in your country as well? Yeah, look. Yeah, so it's amazing. It's growing really good, and another one coming as well. You can see the small one coming there. Yeah, so it's growing really tall. Yeah, look at that. So good. Yeah, and it's still growing. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's Dodo. Yeah, can you see it? Got another insect there. I don't know what is that. You guys, look at it. Oh, it's a butterfly. It's gone. Yeah. There you go, flying there. Yeah. So guys, yeah, so this is how it is. Yeah, yeah, look, it's amazing. Yeah, it's really thick, as you can see all the way from there. It's very thick. Yeah. It's good. Yeah, so we'll have a lot of seed, and next year we have to plant it as well. Yeah, we'll plant it. Yeah, so it's amazing. So guys, yeah, in case you're new to the channel, you are very welcome. Can you please subscribe down below and let me know where you're watching from. So we still got to harvest some. Yeah, so we're gonna harvest few. Yeah, it's amazing. Look at that, guys. Yeah, I think there's gonna be a lot of seed in this one. Look at that. Yeah, so the seeds are really tiny. Yeah, let me have a look. Yeah, see, so tiny. Yeah, so must be a lot of in there. Yeah, our garden is not that big, but we do grow a lot in this mini garden. If you watch the previous video, we have a corn, we have the sukuma wiki, and now we're remaining with the dodo. Yeah, so Dodo is flowering as well. Yeah, then soon we will harvest it. I mean, get a seed from it, and then when the winter comes, yeah, I think barely nothing will grow. Yeah, so it's all the way there, and then back. Yeah. Some are still coming down there. Yeah, I think it's tiny one. Yep. And here, so green, guys, looking amazing. So all of them are flowering. Yeah, I love it. Amaranth, Dodo. I think it's got a lot of names. Dodo, Amaranth, Mchicha. Yeah. Lucky there's no worm eating all these things. It's nothing. Yes, all good. Yeah. Guys, if you can see, this is a little bit different. You see the stem is red. Yeah. And then we got few which got green, very green stem, like this one. Yeah, very good. Yeah, oh, it's amazing. It's really fun to grow your own veggies, guys. Yeah, it keeps you busy, and you know, most of the time you will come here, look at it, feel nice, And there's many more, you know, advantages of growing your veggies. Yeah, so we've been eating all fresh, you know. Yeah, it's no fertilizer. Yeah, so it's really fun. I love it. Yeah, so if you have a small plot or small land, yeah, trying to utilize it, guys, trying to use it. Yeah, or else you can even grow your veggies in a sack, you know, put a soil in the sack or in a box, and then you grow your veggies. Yeah, so it's amazing. So when you grow your veggies, you feel proud. Yeah, and you're eating fresh as well, very fresh. Yeah, if you watch my previous video, I actually harvested all this thing and cook. Yeah, so it's all fresh, and it's not only me, even many people came and harvested as well. So it's nice. Yeah, yeah, so very good. Look at that. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, it goes all the way. If you can see, guys, there, it's not big, yeah, but it's good. Yeah.